Welcome to episode 3 of our Flutter GPT course. In this episode we're going to build and run our very first Flutter application without writing a single line of code manually. Let's jump in. Open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Head over to the official site and click on Try ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, just log in or sign up, it's free. Now type the following prompt. Write a simple Flutter app with a home screen, add a button, and on tap show a snack bar. As you can see, ChatGPT instantly generates a complete Flutter app for us. Copy this code, we'll use it in our VS Code editor. Open VS Code and create a new Flutter project. It may take a few moments to set up, that's normal. Once ready, open the lib folder and click on main.dart. Delete all the default code and paste the code you copied from ChatGPT. Now connect your physical Android device or use an emulator. Select the device in VS Code, then click Run. The first launch might take a bit longer, so be patient. I'm running mine on a real device using screen mirroring. You can do the same. And there it is, your first Flutter app is up and running. When we tap the button, the snack bar appears just like we wanted. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to add new features and make the app's design more stylish. You can say something like, make the UI more modern. Add a second screen with navigation. GPT instantly gives us updated code. Copy it. Back in VS Code, replace the previous code with this new one and restart the app. Just like that, your updated app is ready with a new interface and extra features. That's it. You just built and customized your first Flutter app using only ChatGPT, no manual coding needed. In the next episode we'll build a complete real-world app and show you how to publish it to the Google Play Store step by step. Like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial, and comment below if you want me to cover a specific app idea using GPT. See you in episode 4.